make the sweetest sounds that I ever heard. Every note you sing, I hang on every word. Well, it's true. Sometimes I wish that I could catch you, take you home with me, but I should let you be a wild and free, pretty songbird. Songbird, I love you. I won't try to catch or cage you. I'm pretty sure that will only enrage you, and that ain't nothing that I would ever wanna do. I can't help but wanna hold you, but you're the kind of bird that's supposed to be a wild and free, pretty songbird. Songbird, I love you. Go be a wild and free, pretty songbird. Songbird, I love you.